Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Ansible Playbook. What is Ansible Playbook? How it is defined? I'm going to explain you in the coming video with some videos with the example of how or we have to declare a variable, how to declare a condition case in Ansible Playbook, everything. Okay, so let's get started with the basic of Ansible Playbook. What is Ansible Playbook? Ansible Playbook is an ordered list of tasks saved so we can run those tasks in that order repeatedly. Playbooks is written in Ansible are written in YML format. That is easy. What is YML? YML means yet another markup language. And Ansible playbook some of the Ansible playbook components are as follows. First is host. Use host keyword to target hosts slash servers by host name or domain. Okay. So we use host component to define the target host. Second is variables. And what are the variables? The variables are the way for Ansible to pass the custom value in task. We can define these variables in a playbook, in our inventory, or in reusable files or rows. Or at the command line, Ansible variable is defined in group vars, host vars, role vars, or CLI vars. We can define the Ansible variables for any of the files as or we can define in group vars, host vars, role vars, or CLI. These all are called Jinja template list. We have to call these variables in the Jinja template list. The double braces, then the variable name, then the double braces. This is the syntax of declaring variable in Ansible. And what are the types of variables? There are three types of variables: string, list, and dictionary. So let's move on to some more about some more components of Ansible. Now we are going to learn about the components of the core components of Ansible Playbook. First is Ansible Playbook tasks. The tasks are the action launched on remote host. Tasks are written in YML language in a descriptive structure way, making the read and write uniform to any task. We can perform any execute. We can execute any task with the elevated privileges or as a different user which become. Repeat a task once for each item in a list view, or execute tasks on different machines with delegation, or run tasks only when certain conditions apply with conditionals and evaluating the conditional with test, or group a set of tasks together with logs. I'm going to explain this how to apply conditions in Ansible Playbook in the coming in the next video. Okay, so that you will be very clear about how to declare a variable, how to use a variable, how to apply conditions in variables all the time. Let's move on to the next component of Ansible Playbook. It's Ansible Playbook handlers. What are Ansible Playbook handlers? Ansible handlers are the action triggers called from the task and run at the end of the play. A handler is a task defined by its name and called with its. Okay. And the next is Ansible Playbook rules. The rules are the tidy way to write the playbooks. It permits to store a group of actions with the same purpose and to call them in the playbooks in a single line. Rules let you automatically load related variables, files, tasks, handlers, and other Ansible artifacts based on a known file structure. After we group you after we group your contents in rows, we can easily read. What are roles? What is the difference between roles and tasks? Is we specify all the tasks under Ansible Playbook tasks. Okay? But there is one feature which in our Ansible Playbook we can directly call the Ansible role. Suppose if I want to create a user, I have made a role for that user. Roles dot users. Okay? And when I call that in our Ansible Playbook, it will go to the roles for directory, and under that role directory there will be a folder called users, and under that there will be a tasks, handlers, files, folders. Okay, there will be three folders, and then there will be a variable folders also. There will be four folders, and under the task folder we declare a main.yml inside which we declare all the tasks which we need to perform to create a use. So these were the main components of Ansible Playbook which you should learn and you should know. Okay. And in the next video, I'm going to give you a practical example of how to use Ansible Playbook and how to declare a variable, how to use a conditional operator, and how to uh, execute how to execute a playbook. So stay tuned, guys. Subscribe our channel, like our channel. Let's meet up in the next video. Thank you.